So, good day. I'm here to present my on-the-job training two video presentation. So, first of all, I'm still in Smart Communication, which is one of the largest telco here in the Philippines. And on my first internship, I was handling work orders and managing the inventory of our department or our area, which is South Metro Manila. Now, I am currently the project lead for interns, handling the creation of a database for the department, and also helping and assisting my area in doing SRF, which are site request forms that is needed for our operations to uh, be able to enter cell sites or tower for the removal or adding of equipments, plus ATMFs, which are documents needed for the transfer of ownership of one cell site to another. For example, our cell site will be given to the area of North Metro Manila or South Luzon. So since I am in the same company, this is the lobby, and the farthest picture is the elevator with my picture on it. As always, the motto of the company is this is a happy space to work. Then this is my workstation and still the same desk, but different functionalities as you can see. Um, the workload itself is different compared to my first internship. Like I said before, my first internship focuses on work orders or the things needed to be done. But now I handle the documentation for the request of the operation team to move into different cell site and the transfer of ownership of different site plus the um, project lead for the interns who are in the database project. So next, here is my project team. We came from different school, but one of us is also a Mapuan from the IT department. Also, this picture captures the internship graduation. In Smart, the company uh, has a celebration for the interns who are graduating. And as you can see here, this is the graduation ceremony of the interns. Next is meetings and project planning. As you can see, we are discussing how the database should work or how should it be designed and how should it function. So as much as I want to show how the database work, I cannot open it outside of the company for security purposes, but a database imply a collection of data that is needed for the workflow to go smoothly. So next will be the meetings. This is the discussion of cell sites that needs documents like SRF and ATMFs or assessment. The assessment show consists of knowing what upgrades are needed, what equipments needed to be removed for that cell site. Lastly is my HR presentation. In the HR presentation, we were tasked to give or present what have we accomplished in our stay in Smart. So for me, in my 5 months staying in the company, I have told them all of my accomplishments since the first internship to my final internship. From doing work orders to creating the database project. The farthest picture, you can see my supervisor and the HR in charge of the internship program. So this is another picture of the company. It's a very welcoming company, as to say. Um, this is the birthday celebration of our bosses. Anyway, so feedback for on the company. So as like before, Smart is a good company in terms of the OJT program. The downside of this is Smart only opens its internship program for a little while. Like now, it only consists of 3 waves of applicants for the internship. I'm included in the second wave and the third wave because of my extension. But all in all, the company is good in providing experience and how corporate life works. Nextly, the like before, the supervision is good. They will teach you what you need to do, what you need to learn to be more helpful to department. In my case, I was the project lead. I was able to like get uh, life like great teachings from the managers, the supervisors on how to uh, accommodate people, how to pursue deadlines, how should the project be flexible so that it can meet the deadline. Lastly, it is really a great program. It can help you learn or experience what you need to experience before really entering the corporate world. They will give you the basic knowledge of how to be in a team, how to contribute to a team, and how to be a team player. And it is really a great experience for me. And I hope so to my other project team. It is also a great experience, and I'm very thankful in a chance on like handling them and being a team with them. So this is the end of my presentation, and thank you for listening.